It is 6:30. I'm so sleepy, but I have to wake up now. Good morning. So it is 6:30. I am now up. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for my day. I have no makeup. This is how my face looks. Excuse my quirky voice. And legit woke up like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and bathe and brush my teeth, and then, well, you guys are gonna see obviously because you're following me around in my productive morning routine. So yeah, let's go take a shower, get ready, and God, a good stretch feels so good and you wake up. Okay, let's go. I am more awake, more alive now. So I've just taken a shower, I have on my robe, and what I'm gonna do is my skincare routine. One thing that I always have to do right after I brush my teeth and take a shower is to drink some water. And I love this rose gold tumbler, it's so cute. I love drinking water. I know you guys probably saw this a million times, but I love drinking water because it just makes me feel really good in the morning. So now onto my skincare routine. I'm using this tiny little clip to just clip back my hair away from my face. The first thing I always do is applying something underneath my eyes, because sometimes I wake up and my eyes are really puffy underneath, and it's just to really brighten and depuff. So I always keep these two serums in the fridge because the tips are metal, so it always has this really nice chill and zing to it that really immediately depuffs your eyes. So I keep a rubber band on it so I won't lose them. This is the Pixi 24K Eye Elixir, and then this is the Dermalogica Stress Positive Eye Lift. So I feel like if we will do the Dermalogica this morning, the tip is like this, which I really like. It makes it really easy to apply. Oh my god, the metal is so cold. It zings me. It immediately tingles so much. So when you're applying a serum, which I highly recommend in the morning to just make your eyes look really amazing, you should put it on first so that it actually sinks into your eyes and like seeps into it. So as you can see, I have a good bit there, and then I will go ahead and use my face cream. So to be honest, when I'm going to work, I actually don't really put on a lot of makeup. I know it's not for everyone. Some people love to put on makeup, but I actually have my own like office, so when I go to it, it's just myself there doing work, so I don't really need to put on makeup because I'm not really interacting with a lot of people. So I love a good skincare routine, as you guys probably know if you do follow me on Instagram, which you totally should because there's so much exclusive lifestyle content over there. Okay, so now that we're over that, I am using my Pixi Vitamin C Lotion, and this brand I love so much. It's my #1 skincare brand. I always rave about them. And they have a brightening line, which is amazing for like brightening your skin and getting rid of like marks and hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. So I love using their vitamin C products every single day. I use them literally because it's vitamin C. Obviously it's really citrusy. Oh my god, it smells so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rub that into my skin. So that is basically very simple my skincare routine. So for my lips, I am using my Citrus Bay lip balm. I love this so much. It smells like coconut and lime, and it's so hydrating for your lips. Honestly, my lips get chapped and dried so much that a lip balm is so essential like this. So good. Oh my gosh, it immediately heals my lips and makes it feel so good. So one other random thing is that I have eczema, and right now, I don't know why, because I'm feeling so stressed recently, my eczema usually gets triggered. So I have a patch on my leg, which is just so annoying. So I love using my Eczema Honey Nut-Free Skin Soothing Cream, and of course an ambulance is gonna pass and disturb my whole video. So if you don't know about eczema, I do have my eczema skincare video linked in, so you can check it out if you do have eczema or just are curious. But it's so annoying and frustrating to live with eczema because it literally burns your skin so much and you just want to scratch all the time. So that's why I love using my Eczema Honey Coat. So I just take a little bit, just a tiny bit, because it goes a long way, and I'm just putting it on my leg right here, which is where I get my breakouts. So I know it's completely weird, but I have to do this or else it just is gonna scratch me all day and annoy me. Just is not good. Okay, so it is now 10 to 7. What I'm really gonna do now is just go ahead and brush my hair, and then I'm gonna just apply some loose curl stays. Okay, so that made such a difference in my hair. And now I'm going to use my Hask keratin oil. So it comes in these little bottles like these. So you just pour a little bit. I barely put oil in my hair because I don't want it to look like slicked at all. And then I just pass it through my hair. And I do this before I curl it. It's literally just like a drop that I put on my hair. This is my curling wand. So all I do is really give my hair a very gentle curl at the edges. So first I just go ahead and pass it through my hair so it kind of straightens it so it wouldn't like frizz all day. So it just gives me this really gentle wave, as you can see. So I don't do this every day. I'm really doing this for the video because I don't want to look all over the place, but to be honest, a lot of times I don't do this because I just brush my hair and then let it go. I don't really apply heat to my hair unless it is absolutely necessary. So this is how it looks when it's finished. It's barely, I mean, it's a difference, but very barely, but it still looks a bit decent. So I've been loving a middle path recently. I don't really know why, but I usually wear my hair flipped to like this side. I don't know what it is. I just kind of like it. So cheers, drink up. So now that my hair is done and I feel somewhat presentable, I am gonna go ahead and make my green juice, which is something I've been doing every day, drinking celery juice. I know I have fallen on a trend, but it's actually so easy. I'm gonna share with you how I do it because I don't have a juicer, but still it's so easy. I really thought it was gonna be so much harder, so let us go do that. Okay, so I'm cutting up my celery right now, and I just use about 3 stalks. I took off a lot of leaves and I'm just going to cut off the top edges. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add it into my blender. So if you don't have a juicer, you can definitely make celery juice still because I'm going to show you. Okay, so I have my celery inside there. And then I do 1 cup of water in a mason jar. My secret to celery juice though is the ginger. I think it adds such a good pop of flavor to it and it's also really good for you. So now I have my water, celery and ginger in there and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. So you need a small strainer like this and then you just go ahead and pour. And it's so good. You can see how gorgeous the color looks. I just put something here to hold it like this. And then I just take a spoon and then just go ahead and pat it in. I know some people save this thing, but I throw it away. I'm not sure how I would use it, so yeah. I know it seems like a long drawn out process, but it's actually really easy. And I can do it in like 2 tries right now. And you want to get a really fine strainer like this, so the like actual celery pieces don't go into it and choke you. And there you have it, celery juice. Okay, so we have our green juice here and it's such a good color. When I first wanted to try this, I was kind of like, oh no, I don't have a juicer and I don't want to just go and buy a juicer just to make celery juice. Maybe later on when I'm really into juicing, but not right now, girl. I just don't have time. But I swear using a blender is just as good and it's super green. And that shot of ginger just adds so much flavor to it and I really love it. In fact, I'm like starting to crave it and want to drink it. But I don't know, I grew up a vegetarian, so I would just eat seafood occasionally. So a lot of times I just eat vegetables, which probably explains why I like drinking a glass of celery juice. But if you don't really like the taste, I definitely recommend taking out some of the leaves because that really could make it bitter, as well as adding that shot of ginger because it just changes the entire flavor of it, but it's still just as good. As you can see from my clock behind, it is about 7:30, but honestly I get through this way faster. I'm just obviously taking a while because I'm filming everything. You gotta do, ow, something is scratching me. Okay, so this is my bag and I'm just gonna go ahead and pack it for work. I did a what's in my bag video that you guys can probably check out and I'll link it in so you can see exactly what is in my work bag. Obviously it has a lot more things in it right now, but in that video it just really shows you my essentials of what is in my bag. So if I have time to spare, I would just go through like my planner, of course, and then this is like my journal and notebook right now. I just write down all of my ideas in there, so there's that. And then I have my favorite pen in the entire world, and of course my laptop. So I'll just go ahead and like go through some stuff right before I leave, since I do have some extra time. So going to work right now. Oh my god, there's like a hummingbird I want you guys to see. Oh no, I don't know where it went. It was just inside there. So I have like hummingbirds inside that vine there. Every single morning there's like a hummingbird right there, and I love to see it. Honestly, coming to work every single day and seeing this vine, I am just in love with it. As you can see, it's definitely getting out of control, but it's so pretty. I wanted to secretly cover the entire roof. Okay, so this is my section of the office. What you guys saw in front is where the actual storefront area is going to be. So next time you see it, the ceiling is going to be done. There's going to be shelving and all that fun stuff, so you can actually see all the products. But this is where I spend the majority of my day. This is where I just never want to leave. This is like my favorite place in life. Earlier this year I did over the wall, so it's like now pink and white, but I have to decorate it still, so I need some ideas on that. So I wanted to share with you guys the new 2020 sneak peek of the weekly planners. So by the time you actually see this video, these planners would have launched, which is really exciting. So this is the first one, and it's called, please excuse that there are like blinds right next to me that is just behaving erratically, but yeah, this is the first one. It's called Gilded Storm, and it's this beautiful like navy and blush pink weekly planner, and of course inside has all of the inserts and stuff. So next up we have one of my favorites, and this is called the It Girl. Every single year I love doing something whimsical and fun like this, so this is definitely the planner that I'll be choosing this year. I love it so much. And then there is this beautiful flamingo print, and you can just never go wrong with flamingos. You have this one that is called Tempest, and it's just so stormy. It literally reminds me of Little Mermaid when she first saw her prince. And then this one is called Agrabah, and it was definitely after the Jasmine, of course, Arabian Nights. It just looks so beautiful. And then this one is called Dainty Floral, and it's just so, it's pretty productive vibe with that gold marble and a floral print. So that is basically the 2020 collection. So when you see this video, it would definitely have been launched. So the next few months are going to be really exhausting and tiring, but I absolutely love it, and I love what I do, and I can't wait for everyone to get their hands on these planners. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm just finalizing the 2020 monthly planners this week, but again, by the time you see this video, it's going to be up and it's going to be launched. I hope that you guys enjoyed this productive morning routine in my life. I am going to end this vlog right now because I'm just going to go ahead and get to work, and there's really nothing to it other than me being on my computer all the time. So I really hope that you enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you want to see more videos and vlogs like these, and I'll definitely do them for you. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me and lets me know you are appreciating the content that I'm creating. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.